time of partying hard before I race. So we're on the way to my first race, and I've decided to start having a go at quad racing. So this is really a completely different thing to do, and I'm hoping that it will learn me how to fly better, control the quad better. It'll help freestyle, and it'll also help me with X-Class and stuff like that. So I think hitting the gates at speed and trying to control and learning rates and all the rest of it is going to be a great addition. So yeah, we're going to be going to MMRC and seeing what we can do. So we're here with Chris and Vern, and they're all racing their quadcopter racing quads.
God mode. Quad racer.
Very
God
nice.
mode. With my lethal FPV batteries.
Sponsorship.
Yeah, buddy.
So this is the first time they've been to this track as well, and we're going to see how we do. I'll probably come last because this is, you know, my first time racing, but it's going to be fun. Any tips?
It's gonna be good.
Any tips?
Lower your rates, Richard.
Yep, okay.
Just finish.
Just finish. That's a good tips. Alex is, I've known him for a little while. He's team Spektrum. Look at that. Hey, we're the only ones flying Spektrum. Me and Alex. So, what are your quads?
This is Railgun.
Railgun.
A guy in South Australia who's designed the frame.
Yep.
And it's a great quad. Love it.
Yeah, built-in PDB down the arms, connecting the motors straight in.
Race wire in there.
Yeah.
And full-size 4-in-1 ESCs, 20x20 race flight.
Nice. Well, you're doing well, and I've seen you race, and you're whipping around that track about 3 times faster than me.
For now.
For now. Thanks, Alex. So here is all the setup. So all the screens, all the tables, and everything there. So cool setup for racing. Say hi, guys.
Hey guys. What's all happening?
45 seconds left.
Pilots ready. Please arm your quads. WigganRC in second. Groups in third. C-bomb in 4. WigganRC final lap in first. Group's final lap in second.
So we finished racing, it was good fun, just packing up the car, putting everything in, and it was lots of fun. So really enjoyed it, and we'll definitely have to come again, try our hand at racing, and yeah, it was fun. It was a bit frustrating actually, you know, hitting flags and trying to get it right isn't easy, and I've got a new found respect for pilots who race quads. Obviously setup, rates, all of that is so different, and it's definitely an art unto itself. So I'm going to be back, I'm going to do some more racing, and for now I'm going to go and unwind with some freestyle. Okay, WigganRC signing off. Till next time.